डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज बात करेंगे वर्क मेजरमेंट. बेसिकली इट इज द एप्लीकेशन फॉर द वर्क स्टडी. In this we measure the time of any given work under the specified its application. It set the standard time for the operation. It estimate material, machine, equipment requirement. It estimate production cost and selling price. It help to prepare the budget. It give suggestion to make or buy decision. Estimate manpower requirement. Estimate delivery schedules and planning of the work. Balancing the work of operator. Estimating performance of the worker as the basis for incentive, bonus, etc. Work measurement techniques, method, or you can say type. First one is the historical data method. It uses the past record data. Time study, it uses a stopwatch and the best suited for the short cycle repetitive job. Work sampling, workers are observed many times at random. Synthesis, the full job is divided into small parts. Predetermined motion time study, normally 3 times are fixed for one job: normal time, fast time and very fast time. And then analytical estimating, it is used for fixing the standard time of any job which are very long and repetitive. Time study, basically we have already discussed in the previous video, that is the work study has two part. One is the method study, another is the time study. Time study comes under the work measurement technique. So we are here going to discuss the time study. Time study is a technique to estimate the time to be allowed to a qualified and well trained worker working at a normal rate to complete a specified task by using a specified method. This technique is based on the measuring the work content of the task when performed by the prescribed method. You are supposed to give the allowances, personal allowances or technical allowances to the operators. The core principle is to systematic observation, analysis and measurement of the various steps in the performing of a job, setting up a standard time and again target for the worker. Number of worker is to be determined to perform for a job. Categorize the worker in various categories on the basis of efficiency and effectiveness. यहाँ हम इफिशियंसी और इफेक्टिवनेस का मतलब थोड़ा सा बता दें. जैसे कोई ऑपरेटर 8 घंटा में 10 आइटम बना रहा है और दूसरा ऑपरेटर 15 आइटम बना रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली 15 आइटम बनाने वाला ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट है. बट यदि फर्स्ट ऑपरेटर 10 प्रोडक्ट बनाया, 10 में 10 सही है, दूसरा 15 बनाया, उसमें 6 गलत है या 7 गलत है, तो दूसरे वाले की इफिशियंसी तो ज़्यादा थी बट इफेक्टिवनेस बहुत कम. मेथड ऑफ टाइम स्टडी. फर्स्ट, डिफाइन द ऑब्जेक्टिव. हम करना क्यों चाह रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं. स्टैंडर्ड मेथड एंड कंडीशन. सिलेक्ट ऑपरेटर. record information, divide the operation, record the data, collect and record the data of the required number of cycles by timing and rating of the operators. Now calculate the representative watch time for each element of the operation, and you will need to identify the rating factor and multiply with the observed time. Rating factor, that means each and every worker are not supposed to the work at the same rate. Then to see to study the various working condition, operator and all those things, we put a rating factor to every operation and operator. Then we calculate normal time, observed time into rating factor. Determine the allowances for the fatigue or delay. Delay may be intentional or unintentional. Determine standard time of the operation, that is the normal time, plus selection of the worker. Worker must have necessary skill or training for the given job, sufficient experience, temperamentally suited to the study. ऐसा नहीं कि बीच में वो कभी गुस्सा आ जाए या काम छोड़ दे या ऐसा कुछ. Having knowledge about the, these are the time study equipment. First one is the stop watch study. In this we use the watch. It may be divided into various fractions. Now digital watch are more used. This is the time study board. In this, the board is held against the body and the upper left arm the time study person in such way that the watch could be operated by the thumb or fingers. Watch is recorded in the right upper hand corner, or in this we give all those necessary detail. Then elements, speed, feed and serial number for the various operations. Then we put rating factor, calculate normal time, then allowances, then total allowances, then find the standard time, that is normal time plus allowances. Again time study observation sheet, very similar to previous one.
अब जाते जाते हम यह उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि आज आपने जो वीडियो देखा काफी कुछ समझ में आया होगा, और यदि आपको कुछ कम समझ में आया है तो इसको आप एक बार और देखिए. साथ में ही मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि इस वीडियो में जो टॉपिक था उससे रिलेटेड या सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड और वीडियो देखने के लिए हमेशा प्लेलिस्ट में जाइए, जहां पर 200 प्लस वीडियोज उपलब्ध हैं. और इस वीडियो के द्वारा जो नॉलेज मिला, जो आपकी स्किल डेवलप हुई और हमने जो अपने अनुभव शेयर किए, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि यह आपके जीवन में नित्य नई उन्नति के द्वार खोलेंगे. और जाते जाते मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं कि आप सभी स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए. साथ में ही यह मुस्कुराहट अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी, अपने क्लासमेट के साथ, अपने शुभचिंतकों के साथ भी शेयर करते रहिए. धन्यवाद.